Welcome to WordPress Daily with your host, Tom Mullins, episode number 25, latest simple news ticker. Good afternoon. Welcome. We are here at the WordPress Daily Studios, the TechMerge Studios here in beautiful Charleston, West Virginia. It's actually raining cats and dogs outside right now while we're filming this episode. But it's a great, beautiful day in the studio here. So it's exciting to be here. My name is Tom Mullins. I'm part of the TechMerge podcasting team. You can find out more information about us at www.techmerge.net. You can also like us on Facebook at facebook.com/techmerge, on Twitter at techmergenet. Also on Patreon, you can donate in any amount at patreon.com/techmerge. Also, all of this content and more is available free on our YouTube channel by simply going to youtube.com and searching for TechMerge. Today, we're going to dive into the latest simple news ticker plugin. It is a free plugin available in the WordPress plugin store. We're going to take a look at it here. As you can see, it looks like a very simple plugin. It allows you to add a news ticker to your website. Looks like it uses a short code to add it. So we're going to copy that short code and we're going to use that in a little bit to get the content up on our site. We're going to go ahead and install and activate the plugin. Now this is our WordPress dev site. So we're going to use it as kind of the demonstration here. Basically what this plugin states that it does, it allows you to go through all of your recent posts and it actually displays them as if they were headlines or news articles on your site in a ticker that just rotates. It could be at the top of the page, middle of the page, wherever you want to put it in your WordPress page, but it looks pretty cool. So let's see if we can find it here. Okay, so it's there. Let's see where the settings are for it. Looks like it's in under settings where it says news ticker options. It tells us what the title name is. In this case, let's make it latest posts. And per page item, we want 6 and we want the latest posts. And we want to just save it out. And it looks like we've got the ticker code right here. And let's go up here to page. All pages. And we're going to add a new page just to insert this code into it. So we'll add new. We'll go ahead and call it ticker test. And we'll add the code, pasting it right into the field, which it has been done. We'll do it over on text so it doesn't modify it, and we'll save it out. Now, in a perfect world, this should show data from our last posts on this particular site. So let's look at the ticker test page and see what happens. Now I am using Firefox as a browser here. Not sure how it works, but in comparison. So for whatever reason, it It's actually showing some data that I didn't expect it to. So let's see if we can go back to the settings and see if we can make some different configuration changes to it. So we're going to go back to settings. We're going to go back to news ticker options. We're going to call the ticker latest posts, per page item. Let's just drop that to 1, maybe 2. We're looking for posts. And we're going to roll it. And we're going to save changes. Now, that's the short code. Let's go back up to the test page that we made. And we want to find the ticker post, so we'll ticker test. So we'll click on that and search for just ticker. And we've got the ticker test. And let's change the short code just a bit here, and let's see. This plugin kind of has some promise. I'm really hoping that it does work the way it's supposed to. I want to also go to posts and make sure that there actually is some posts in the site. And I believe that they probably are. And they are. There's several. So let's go back to pages, all pages. And let's click on the ticker test page and view it again. And let's see if that plugin works the way it's supposed to. I imagine it scrolling through the titles of all of those posts. That's what I kind of envision this plugin to do, like a news ticker. So it says news, okay? So I'm not calling it news. I called it latest posts, but it's showing it as news here. So it's not using the title that I designed, which may be in the shortcode. I may be able to change that in the shortcode. But it looks like it's just showing the name of the page that we're on. So just in case if it doesn't work in this browser, we're going to go over to Microsoft Edge and we'll try it in Microsoft Edge and see if it's any different in Microsoft Edge. See if it loads up any different. Well, so this one's another one that didn't quite work the way we expected it to. By simply using the information and setting it up, using the information that's provided within the plugin, we weren't able to successfully get it to work. So at this point, we cannot recommend this plugin. I'm not saying that it doesn't work. I'm just saying in our trial, in our test here, live on WordPress Daily, we weren't able to get it to work. So we can't rate it. We can't give it any kind of recommendation because it just didn't work the way we expected it to work with our configuration here. Now, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm just saying within our test environment, it did not work properly. So this plugin receives a 0 rating at this point because we cannot officially rate it. And thanks so much for watching episode number 25 of WordPress Daily. I'm Tom Mullins. Thanks and have a blessed